Today guys, I'm going to show to you all how to download Minecraft Pocket Edition in Aptoide in Android. So first, we're going to go to Chrome and search for Aptoide APK. Next, we're going to install Aptoide. So install, cancel. If you don't have any Aptoide, download it because I have Aptoide. I'm not going to download it again because I have Aptoide. So next, I'm going to go to Aptoide and search for Minecraft. Minecraft Pocket Edition. New, and you're going to click for the first icon and then install it. So you're going to wait for that to download. Then when it is done, you're going to install the Minecraft. Next, install. Wait for it to install. So guys, that's how to install and download Minecraft Pocket Edition. I hope you have a nice day guys. Subscribe and have a like. Bye guys.